Okay, dear students, I'll give you a few examples to get you know about the theory what I have taught during the calculation the concentration of the solution. In the previous video I have given you the two examples of it. So now if I give you the further. Now the first question, that is the question number 3 for today's. Today I'll give the question is a given solution of NaOH solution NaOH contains 2 ml of NaOH 2 per liter. So 2 means 2 gram. 2 gram of NaOH per liter of the solution. Okay, you have to calculate the molarity of this solution. Now you have to calculate the molarity of this solution. So to calculate the molarity, what you need? You need number of moles of the solute and the volume of the solution in liter. You need these two things, number of moles of the solute and volume of the solution in liter. So first of all, find out in the question whether these two parameters are given in. If it is not given, then you have to calculate. So number of moles of the solute is not given, so we have to calculate. So what information is given? Mass of the solute. Solute is sodium hydroxide, that is 2 gram. Find out the molar mass of the NaOH. How much it is? 40 gram. How to calculate the molar mass? Add all the atomic masses of the atoms available in one molecule of sodium hydroxide. So all are added. What you get? 40 gram. Now calculate the number of moles of the sodium hydroxide. Why we calculate the number of moles of the sodium hydroxide? Because it is a solute. So how to calculate the number of moles of the solute? Actual mass must be divided by molar mass. So what is the actual mass of sodium hydroxide? That is 2 gram. And what is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide? That is 40 gram. So that is why 2 is divided by 40 gram. Actual mass divided by molar mass, that gives you the number of moles of that particular substance. So we got the number of moles of the sodium hydroxide. Second thing what we need, that is the volume of solution in liter. So in the question what is given? 2 gram of sodium hydroxide per liter of the solution. So it is given. What is the volume of the solution? 1 liter. So the volume of solution is 1 liter. Now put these two values in the formula of the molarity of the equation. What is the formula molarity of the equation? That is number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. So number of moles of the solute is how much? 0.05 mole. And what is the volume of the solution? 1 liter. You have seen it. Now put these two values. So after putting, what you are getting? This is your answer. So ultimately what you are getting? 0.05 mole per liter. And this mole per liter is denoted by capital M. That's why I have written 0.05 m. So this is the today's first question what I have discussed. I think you have understood. If you have not understood, you may ask me later on. You may get me in touch on the WhatsApp or in a phone call. Can come. Okay. Now the next question. 2.8 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water to give 200 centimeter cube of solution. Now you have to calculate the molarity of the potassium hydroxide in the solution. So this is your question. So we have to calculate the molarity of the potassium hydroxide solution, and what is given? Mass of the solute is given, and which is dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of the solution. Centimeter cube represents the milliliter. Means 200 centimeter cube means 200 ml. So that's why the volume of the solution is given, amount of the solute is given, and you have to calculate the molarity. So for molarity, what you need? Number of moles of the solute. So from this mass 2.8 gram of potassium hydroxide, that has to be converted into number of moles, and this 200 ml should be converted into liter. So first of all, I'll convert mass of the solute. What is given? 2.8. So molar mass of the potassium hydroxide, that is how much? It is 56 gram. It is calculated. You can see here potassium, oxygen and hydrogen, 39, 16 plus 1. So like this way you can calculate the molar mass potassium hydroxide. Now you can see the calculation further. So now the number of moles of the potassium hydroxide, actual mass must be divided by the molar mass. What is the actual mass of potassium hydroxide? It is 2.8 gram, and 56 is the molar mass of potassium hydroxide. So 2.8 is divided by 56. So for what you have got, 0.05 mole of the potassium hydroxide. So this is the number of moles of the potassium hydroxide. Now what is given in question? 200 centimeter cube of solution. So what is the volume of solution? 200 centimeter cube, that is 200 ml. So to convert ml into liter, it must be divided by 1000. So that is why 200 is divided by 1000. So ultimately you are getting it into liter. Okay. Now next we will put these two values in the formula of molarity, number of moles